Alright, here's that General Lee picked up from Goodwill. Dirty radio. Listed as a Cobra 29, I believe. Backlight does not work on the meter. Pretty ugly, dirty meter there. I don't think the nicotine gold tint is coming through in the video there, but the brushed face here has seen better days. Smells, someone smoked a lot when they talked on this. Anyway, not bad for a $26 Goodwill find. Came with the original General mic as well, which also has really seen better days. Not going to use this mic at all, but I got the screws out of this. I'll go ahead and show the inside. It's all original, never been touched. I pulled the warranty sticker off it. No coil spread, no anything, no mods that I can see at all. So appears to be a all original Gen 1 red channel indicator. Don't know about the backlight, it doesn't work, but meter does work. So let's take a look inside. All right, here we have the inside. Even in the heat sink, all kinds of stuff, dead bugs in there. Anyway, has a frequency counter port on the back there. Inside though, again, looks to be all original. No real issues that I see. It's a touch off frequency, slightly up. I'm gonna see if I can adjust that on this and get the backlight working as well. Just want to clean it up, talk on it. Low power, dead keys around 2.5, 3 watts. Swings about 35. If I drive this into one of my Elkin amplifiers, it really likes it in low. High power is dead keying around 10 watts and swinging around 40. I don't have it, if I overmodulate it, it'll swing more, but I can see it splattering off the channel too, so not really doing more. But anyway, very clean on the inside. Really shocked at the inside of how this looks. Of course, this would be upside down when you have the radio mounted. The bottom side of the board, there's a good layer of dust on it, smoke dust, etc. So anyway, be a fun one to clean up. We'll see what it does when we're done. All right, here's a look at the finals too. Looks like the original Mitsubishi C2312s. Again, no coil spread, anything like that on this. Everything looks to be good. Anyway, we'll see what we do with it, but just showing you all original generally. Here we are, Chim 26. Show you what the SDR looks like when I key the mic here. You can see it's up frequency. Hello, audio 1 2. Audio 1 2.
Hello, audio 1 2. Audio 1 2.
All right, L26 here is what we're going to be adjusting, trying to bring the frequency back in line. So we'll see what that does.
Hello, audio 1 2. Audio.
All right, now that we've got it back on frequency, working, talking like it should, receiving like it should, completely functioning now. Now we got to clean it. So before we put time and effort into that, so we'll see. We might see if we jazz it up a little bit, but clean it up, make it look nice. Definitely see what we can do here with this, but dirty radio. We'll see how she cleans up. Not bad for a Goodwill find. Next video we'll hopefully be able to show you how to clean it and what the results are when it gets all cleaned up.